So I'm going to try to make a really brief introduction video here to Reservation Key. This system is split into 4 main sections up here at the top left: Reservation Manager, Website, Properties, and Settings. So pretty much everything you need will be under one of those tabs. And then under each tab we have sub-tabs. So here we can see in the Reservation Manager we have more options. This calendar that we're looking at here is the main overview of reservations upcoming. You can change months just by clicking up at the top. If you click into a reservation by clicking on the name, this is the reservation details screen. So once the system is set up, this is pretty much the 2 main sections, the calendar and the reservation details section. Within this screen, you can change the status, you can change the room price, you can add discounts, fees, items for sale, and add payments. So here we can see charge card is showing because the credit card has been added to the system, which we can see right there. So that's pretty much the basics of using the system once it's set up, would just be to come in here to add payments, to manage emails under correspondence, is the emails section. Reports, there's a bunch of reports, so you can check through those. Guests is the list of the guests, activity is list of activity, and availability brings you back to the main calendar. To make a reservation, you just click the dates that you want and then click Add Reservation. So that's the basics of the system. Under Website tab, you'll find pretty much everything having to do with the public reservation pages. So that's this first tab, it's called Reservation Pages. You can click the word preview to preview the page and see what it looks like. So this is a user that has a lot of rooms, and we've set up a custom theme. Click into it to set up different settings for this public reservation page. You can select the theme, customize the form, and a lot of other settings. Just click through those and you'll see what's there. Themes, we can help you design a custom theme to match your website once you're to that point. Basically that means getting everything else set up and close to linking it to your site. Website messages, this is the text that actually appears on the reservation page, which is linked back in the reservation page section. So I'll just show you that. See, text, website messages, so you select what text you want to use as your header, etc., footer. And the best way to see how that all works, so here's the header, is to open and preview your reservation page and take a look. Email templates, these are the emails that could go out. And then you set up what goes out when under email schedules. So you just select the email that you set up and you say, okay, I want this to go out for reservation request. And these are all optional. And the rest of those probably mostly self-explanatory. Under Properties tab, this is where you set up your actual property or bed and breakfast or hotel. So here, if you click into it, you just put the title. You can also put the description and a primary photo if you want, which would appear over here, right here. So that's the reservation page details. Same idea for the rooms. Each room is set up individually. You set up the photo and the description under reservation page details. You link it to a room type and to a rate plan. And then there's some other settings there. Rate plans are where you set up the rates. So within each rate plan there are rules. This person is just using one because his prices don't change seasonally, but if you had seasonal prices you could have different rules. So you can set up rates weekly, so you can say each day of the week, or you can actually also do day by day. And that's where you put in the price for each day of the week. Each day of the date range selected. Just like that. And then the second box is the minimum stay. So once you get your rates set up, then you also link the rate plan to which rooms use the rates, which you can do either from the room setting or from the rate plan. So right here you can select which rooms use the rates. Rate adjustments, that's an optional setting if you want to change, make quick adjustments like for holidays. Taxes, set up your taxes. And that's basically it. Under the settings tab, you'll find most of the things regarding your account, such as basic account settings, your address, your payment method, the plan type that you're using. Users, you can set up as many users as you need. Preferences, there's different formatting and currency options available. Reservation status, these are all the status options. These are customizable and they do different things. So you can add as many as you need. And that's pretty much it. External connections, if you want to link with our channel manager or TripAdvisor, there's some options there for different connections that we have. So I hope this gives you a good idea of how the system works, and let me know if you have any other questions.